Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Open Papio Electrical Electronics. In this video, I am going to unbox and review a multi-tester from Penersi DSU TC3. So guys, without any further delay, let's move to unbox the product. This is my new equipment, super powerful, all-in-one from Germany. Wow! Inside the box, you will get 3-in-1 oscilloscope, product, accessories, and DSU Pro. Wow! Inside the products box, you will get an instruction manual, which is written in English and different languages, including English, and one warning card, quality control certificate. Wow, very nice. Yes, super powerful equipment. The oscilloscope is very nicely packaged, and it is provided with proportion so that it will not get damaged during this shipment. This multiple function tester is really compact, but it comes with large TFT display which is 2.4-inch display. Now let's see what are the different accessories given inside the box. Wow! Very nice. DSU Pro MX o MCX to BNC connector. USB charger. USB charger, 3 MCX casual connector. Guys, now we can remove the teeth in the instrument. Truth in the instrument looks very small, but it is equipped with lot of functionalities to test and measurement different type of components. The first one is M tester. Yes. Wow. I take out this plastic, which is used for testing different type of electronic components like resistor, capacitor, diode, transistor, MOSFET, triac, etc. all in one. Next, we will explore the tester. M tester. Yes. try. (21.85 kilo ohms). Very good, very nice. (47 kilo ohms). Very good. Transistor PNP. 1 is base, 2 terminal is collector, 3 is emitter. Transistor PNP, positive, negative, positive. Very good. Transistor PNP, base, collector, emitter. Good. I try this. Transistor PNP, 2 is base, 3 is collector, 1 is emitter. I try this one. Diode, light emitting diode. Very good. This one. MOSFET, N MOSFET. 1 is gate, 2 is drain, 3 is source. MOSFET. Good MOSFET. Transistor NPN. 2 is base, 3 is collector, 1 is emitter. NPN transistor. Negative, positive, negative. Very good. Try this one. 680 microfarad, 16 volt. Capacitor, 638 microfarad, 0.5%. Very good. I try this big capacitor. For 150 volts, 47 microfarad. Capacitor, 42.4 microfarad. ESR, 0.03 ohms. Very good. (999.5 kilo ohms. Good resistor. (46.78 kilo ohms. Good resistor. Look guys, this is resistor, but the display is diode, 2 diode. This is defective resistor. Look guys, 2 diode, but this is resistor. This is defective resistor. Throw away. LED, light emitting diode, LED, LED. Look guys, diode, 2.52 volts. Very nice. Another light emitting diode, LED. .73 volts. Very nice. Transistor, P-in, P-in-P. 2 terminals is base, 3 terminal is collector, 1 terminal is emitter. Good transistor. Another capacitor. Capacitor, 1034 microfarad, 1.6%. microfarad, but this is 1034 microfarad. Very nice. Diode. Diode, 0.66 volt, 0.1 microampere. Good. Very nice. All-in-one Finersi DSU-TC3 super power. This is my equipment, new equipment. We have M-tester, oscilloscope, generator, tools, M-tester, all in one. Look guys, very nice. Oscilloscope, it is to observe different types of waves. Generator, which is to generate different type of waves. Tools, more things inside the tools. This is toolbox, which can be used for continuities, voltage measurement, temperature and humidity measurement, infrared decoding, remote control. This is a Finersi DSU-TC3 all in one. This is a more powerful equipment.
Pag may natutunan po kayo, please huwag kalilimutan mag-subscribe, like, and share, and click the notification bell para ma-notified po kayo sa susunod kong video. Thank you and God bless us.